Today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unlock the full potential of ChatGPT to learn a new skill from scratch. Right from the comfort of your home, we'll dive into a step-by-step guide to help you get started. So, settle in and let's get started. The first thing you'll need to do is open your browser and navigate to chatopenai.com. It's crucial to ensure you're using a browser that's up to date to avoid any glitches or hitches when accessing the site. Once there, you'll be prompted to log into your account. If you don't have one, you'll need to create it first. This will enable you to use ChatGPT to its full potential. Next up, it's time to decide on a skill you'd like to learn. The choice is entirely yours and could range from playing the guitar or baking sourdough bread to learning Spanish or even mastering Photoshop. For our purposes today, let's go with learning basic guitar chords. With your chosen skill in mind, go ahead and type a teaching prompt into the chat box. A good example of what to enter would be, I want you to teach me playing guitar chords step by step, starting with beginner concepts and include practice exercises. Remember to provide details about your current level. In this case, you might specify that you are a complete beginner with the goal of playing 3 easy songs in 1 month. ChatGPT will then provide a comprehensive lesson plan broken down into manageable weekly segments. This might look something like this. For week 1, you'll focus on learning the C, G, and D chords. Come week 2, you'll dive into strumming patterns. Week 3 would involve practice switching between the chords, ensuring smoother transitions. Finally, by week 4, you'll start playing songs like Knockin' on Heaven's Door, along with 2 other beginner-friendly tunes. Now, to embed these new techniques, ask ChatGPT for practice drills. A sample prompt could be, give me a 20-minute daily practice routine with tips for faster chord switching. This will provide structured sessions to hone in on those skills efficiently. As you advance, it's pivotal to test your progress. You can easily request a short quiz from ChatGPT by typing, give me a short quiz to test if I mastered the basic chords and strumming patterns. This self-assessment will help identify areas where you may need extra practice or reinforcement. Once you're confident with the basics, it's time to challenge yourself with advanced techniques. Type in a request for more intricate lessons using a prompt like, upgrade my lessons to an intermediate level with new chords and finger picking. This ongoing learning journey will keep expanding your skill set. And there you have it. With ChatGPT at your fingertips, learning a new skill is just a matter of consistency and dedication. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I hope this guide helps you make the most out of your learning experience. Happy strumming, and see you next time.